Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.0% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
President Joe Biden's energy chief extended an olive branch to the oil industry, telling executives a crude export ban is not under consideration. The dollar traded near a one-week high versus a basket of major rivals, supported by expectations of a hawkish Federal Reserve meeting this week and haven demand. NYDIG, which aims to be the leading provider of Bitcoin services in any industry, has raised an impressive $1 billion in a funding round led by Westcap.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0700 GMT. Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2200 GMT. The US retail sales at 1330 GMT. Japan's exports will be released at 2350 GMT. The French Consumer Price Index at 0745 GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.